Tired of the Glut32.dll gaming error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'm going to fix your multimedia stack and eliminate that pop-up. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Glut32, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This DLL file is the OpenGL Utility Toolkit library. It is widely used by developers to create and manage Windows with OpenGL contexts, handling keyboard and mouse input for cross-platform 3D graphics tools and legacy PC games. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If the Glut32.dll is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files, and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Glut32. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of the Glut32.dll that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references the Glut32 management. If this fix repaired the Glut32 dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.